Hey guys, today we're going to review a very special product, a vertical mouse. Yes, this is very different than the normal mouse. It is vertical. That's the biggest difference. And this one is the RGB version, so it looks really nice. So this is the difference between the normal mouse and the vertical one. The normal mouse will cause a pain in your wrist for a long time, but the vertical mouse is more comfort for everyday use. So yeah, let's get to the unboxing. For the spec, it has the basic spec like any other mouse, just vertical, that's all. And for the DPI, if I'm not wrong, it has 4000 DPI. Yeah, exactly 4000, which is, yeah, it's enough for most use. I mean, let's get straight to the unboxing. The box is not that really beautiful, to be honest. It's just like a basic box. But the most important thing is what's on the inside, not on the outside. Right, so yeah, this is the mouse. The brand is from Delux, if you want to know that. So this is the mouse. It has the on and off switch. I think this one is for the RGB light. Yeah, I think so, because I already opened it actually. So yeah, I just acting like this is my first time, but it's not. And this is for the extension for the wrist, like this one. Wait, let me, yeah, there. Actually, for the quality is really good, and it's not that expensive. I will tell you the price in the description below. So it actually, like the normal mouse, you have the left click and right click, and here is the scroll wheel, but just vertical. So like this one, but vertical. And this one is the extra button you can customize for your liking. The button feedback is really good actually. I mean, it's not like a cheap button, so that's what I mean actually. And the RGB light will be here, here, and here. I will show you the light in a second. So here you have to download the software actually. Yeah, okay. The software, yeah, you have to install the driver. Actually, not the driver, actually the software to customize the light. So you can actually customize the light, but this is just the unboxing. So if you want to see the lights, the RGB, and yeah, my review on it, stay tuned, as this is the only unboxing of this very special vertical mouse that is RGB as well. RGB is actually very important this day, right? So yeah, without RGB we cannot live. So yeah, this one have RGB, and that is the most important thing. Okay guys, see you guys in the next review of this mouse. Subscribe if you like this video, and like it if you like it, and yeah, see me again.